If you need a divorce finalized in just a few days, Texas law usually puts the brakes on. Most cases must wait 60 days after filing, so the earliest a judge can typically sign the final decree is day 61. That clock starts when you filed the original petition for divorce and the court clerk file stamps it. That filing date is day 1 of the timeline. Serving your spouse is still an important step, but it does not restart or begin the 60-day count. The count runs from the file-stamped petition. Think of the filing date as day 0. From there, the waiting period runs through 60 consecutive calendar days, including weekends and holidays. And this statewide rule applies whether you and your spouse agree on every term or still have issues to resolve. An uncontested divorce does not skip the 60-day wait. Those 60 days give both spouses time to finalize agreements, prepare the required paperwork, and exchange the financial information needed for a complete divorce decree. They also leave room to work through decisions about children and property, or to decide whether reconciliation is still possible before the divorce becomes final. While the 60-day clock is running, spouses can sign a waiver of service, draft the final decree, and prepare the prove-up documents the court will need. They can also finish property division and parenting agreements during that time, so the paperwork is ready when the waiting period ends. The wait may be waived in narrow family violence cases, such as when a spouse has a qualifying conviction or deferred adjudication for an offense involving family violence. A current protective order or a magistrate's emergency protection order based on family violence can also qualify for that waiver. Those 60 days are often where the real work gets done, gathering financial disclosures, settling the remaining terms, and putting every required signature in place. When that preparation is handled carefully, the final step can be faster and smoother once the waiting period ends. After day 60, if the required documents are complete and ready, the case can move to a prove-up or final hearing. At that hearing, the judge reviews the paperwork and signs the final decree of divorce when everything is complete. Even after the waiting period ends, an incomplete decree, missing signatures, or unfinished paperwork can send the case back for corrections and delay finalization. That is why planning early matters. Get the agreements, disclosures, and final documents ready during the 60 days so your case is positioned for day 61 or soon after. Texas may put the brakes on a divorce finalized in days, but you can use those 60 days to get organized and be ready to move forward. For the full timeline and next steps, read the Texas Divorce 60-Day Waiting Period Guide at readydivorceservice.com. Divorce simplified, life reclaimed.